Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide, doing another video test for you guys. So right here we are testing out the brand new Moza Mini Me. This is a new release gimbal from Moza, and the main feature for this gimbal is pretty much it's got a wireless charging built in over here. So I'm using the iPhone 10 here. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna power it on and see how this thing will actually perform. Okay, there you go. Let's power on the switch. All right, let me get rid of this junk. Turn that off. So we are shooting in 4K 30 frames per second on the iPhone 10. And before we get started, I'm just gonna show you guys around the gimbal here. We've got a joystick that goes up and down, left and right. You've got your navigation key here. You got your shutter, your, what is that, gimbal mode, your mode for the gimbal. You got this one here, I'm not too sure. And this one looks like it's a playback button. Reason why being I'm not too sure what button does is because there is no app for this gimbal as of yet. Hold on, let me check out the video here. We'll press record, and there we go. So right now there is no app for this gimbal. They said that it will work with the Film Pro. I've tested it out, but for some reason it doesn't work. And also the other thing that doesn't work right now is the wireless charging, guys. I've tested out on my Galaxy S9 Plus, Note 8, and the iPhone 10, and for some reason it doesn't charge my device. So saying all those stuff, so far right now when it comes to out of the box, this device, this unit is pretty much not ready for the market, guys. So the thing about companies releasing items, it seems like they're just pushing it out in the market even though it's not finished yet. For example, the Zhiyun Smooth 4, that one is not even compatible with Android devices, and it's still buggy, and they still released it. And also the stabilization on that is not that great. So I don't get it why companies are pushing all this gimbal out if they're not really up to 100%. So, but anyways, since I have the gimbal here, guys, we're just gonna do a stabilization test and see how it performs. So right here we've got a stairwell. We're gonna try to go up and down and see how the stabilization is on this gimbal. All right, so focus on the screen and check for any shakiness, guys. All right, so looking at the screen display here, it looks pretty smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pick up the pace, walk a little bit faster, and now I'm gonna run. Okay, so now let's do a front-facing camera test to see how steady that is using this gimbal. Okay, pause, reverse, and record. So here we go. So check out for the shakiness. All right, it looks pretty smooth. I'm gonna pick up the pace a bit and then run. Okay, let's put it back, reverse. All right, so off the bat, this gimbal has that joystick, which every gimbal should have. Smooth 4, and let's see what else can I do here. Okay, we'll walk a little bit more here, see how it is. So the built-in battery here is 2200 milliamp. So when you do the math, if you are charging a smartphone device like the iPhone 10, I don't think it won't be enough to charge the device, guys. And if you are charging like the Note 8 or the Galaxy S9 Plus, those have more higher capacity than the gimbal. So to me, the wireless charging seems to be kind of useless. It will just drain your gimbal much faster if you're gonna be relying on that to charge your device. Hold on, guys, I forgot to press record there. So we are here in the track and field, guys. So we're just gonna do a little quick burst one more time before we end this video. 210. All right, so that's pretty much it for the Moza Mini Me. Just wait for the update, the follow-up update on this gimbal when we actually get the apps available for us to download, and also the wireless charger. Hopefully they'll do something about it, a firmware update perhaps, that it will start working again. And also probably tomorrow or 2 days from now, I'm gonna go purchase the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I will try to compare it with all my other gimbals. If you have any suggestions on which gimbal you guys want to see a versus battle, just leave me a comment down below and we'll try to make it happen for you guys. What I'm excited right now is I want to see the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 versus the Gimbal, the YourTech Gimbal 2, and the the other one, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. I want to see all three of those guys battle it up. I just want to see which one is the best gimbal between all three of them. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.